everyone, welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna customize sweatpants. You know, here on my channel I try to show you that all kind of clothes can be customized, and I customized a lot of sweatshirts before, but never I customized sweatpants, so now it's their turn. And I have here beautiful white sweatpants which are waiting for me to destroy them. No, which are waiting for me to turn them into a piece of art. So what I'm gonna paint on them? You know guys, I love to paint mythological creatures, and it's been a while since I painted some mythological creature on clothes. So I decided to paint it on these pants. And I took inspiration from Japanese mythology. I'm gonna paint a Japanese mythological creature, Kitsune, nine-tailed fox. And it's gonna be first time I'm painting fox here on my channel. It's gonna be interesting. So, let's get started! So here is sketch I made, a sketch of Kitsune, and I'm gonna place it along the right leg, and also I'm gonna add some details like flowers and brush strokes. And first I'm gonna sketch design with pencil, and you know I love to paint freehand, but this time I don't want to take any risks because I want to make background, and when I make background I'm more confident because even if I make mistake I can cover it up with background, but this time no background, so first pencil. And now I'm gonna outline design using fabric marker, and this is the first time I'm using marker, by the way. And I think that such markers are good for the beginners to outline something or even to create a design. And I have an idea to create design using just fabric markers, so stay tuned. And now I put cardboard inside to protect the back side of pants, and I'm gonna paint design with colors. And to paint this fox I'm gonna use purple, white, brown and black colors. I don't want to paint red fox, but I want to create such a pastel purple, purple brown color fox. So guys, while I'm painting this fox, I want to talk with you. I want to ask you what kind of content you would like to watch on my channel. Because, sometimes I think that I don't know my audience and why you watching me, what kind of videos you like here on my channel. Because sometimes videos which I like and which I think are cool, you don't watch them. And I have many ideas. I'm planning to make more such videos painting on different kind of clothes. Also I want to create more art performances and also creative videos like trying different kind of arts on clothes or some effects. But maybe you can help me with ideas. Write me why you watching my channel and what kind of content you would like to watch here. And also I'm wondering, how did you find me? Do you paint on clothes or are you planning to paint on clothes? My dream is to create a community of people who are interested in this art, who want to make it. But for now I'm like a lost child. Like I make what I love, but I'm not sure what kind of videos will get attention, will get traction. So if you can help me in any way, like suggest me some ideas or just share my videos with your friends, and I will be so grateful. And now I'm gonna use a big flat brush to create wave around the fox to add, some kind of a mystery to the design. And cherry blossom, as I took inspiration from the Japan, such flowers are amazing for this design. And last touches, I'm splattering paint and also making a couple of brush strokes. Painting is finished! Guys, when you're wearing hand-painted clothes, you have different kind of confidence. I was walking around the streets and I was making such moves with my leg, like, look at me, I painted it, it's my art, it's my creation. And this feeling is so amazing, the feelings that you're wearing art, especially if you're wearing your art. You can get this feeling when you're wearing printed or some fast fashion clothes. So I hope, guys, you will paint your clothes too, or you will buy hand painted clothes and you will understand this feeling. And I love this design. It's not the hardest and the most complicated design I've ever created, but it's cute. I love how it complements pants. And I hope, guys, you enjoyed this video, the first video of 2020, and this year is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna create many interesting videos, so stay tuned. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more painting on clothes videos. And I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.